Hi, this is Ms. Hurst with Hamilton County Schools. I am going to show you guys today how to get started on Turtle Stitch, just so that you have the basics. Let's share my screen. So first you're going to go to turtlestitch.org, which is up there for me. Up here it should say like create account. I'm already logged in. Once you're logged in, you need to click the word run. That's going to get you to this page. So first of all, you can title, maybe. I don't know how you title it, just kidding. Maybe I have to have something in it first. So first of all, this part of your screen here is where you're going to see what happens once you've added code. This is where you're going to put your code, and this is where you get the blocks for your code. What you'll notice is these colors match the colors of the block. So you can kind of see where to find it once you've found the ones you want. I'll tell you the most helpful ones you're going to have are these motion ones and these control ones. So for example, you can say when this is clicked over here, that's when your code will start. And I like to say reset to get started and go to 0, 0. Actually, I want to put go to 0, 0 at the beginning. So as you get started, you just are going to move things. I like to start by telling it to do the running stitch, which is the most basic stitch. And then you can just tell it to like move, turn, move, things like that. And then when you click it, it will do it. And it's pretty small, but you can zoom in and see. So what you can see is if I continue to repeat that, it will eventually make a circle. To make it so that it does repeat, I can put this repeat block in. I'm gonna switch though, because I want it to move and then turn. If I want to get rid of a block, you just drag it over here. So 10 gets it about that far. So I'm going to say repeat 20 times and see what happens. Ooh, almost 25. So I want it to end right here. Ooh, a little bit too far. So let's try 24. Oh, that was perfect. So what I've got there is a circle. I could do the same thing with a square or a triangle by having it turn a specific number of degrees. So you'll have to think about that math there. And there is that in the Turtle Stitch explanations that I have, the sheets. Those can tell you how to make triangles and squares. The other thing you might need to know is if you want to move without stitching, you have to say pin up. So if I wanted to then go like right here or something, you know, I would say go to 10, 10. And this red means it's not going to. So that's not actually where I want to go. I want to go to like 50, 0. Yeah, so I want to stay on the same line. The red means it's not actually stitching there. It's just moving. But then when you want to start stitching again, you have to say pin down. And now if I tell it to move another 10 steps, it switches and goes back to regular stitching. So that's how you get started with Turtle Stitch. At this point, I think it makes a lot of sense for you to look at the Turtle Stitch info sheet. The other thing to remember is that you do have a limit on your size. If you go up here, I've got it to display dimensions in inches. Yours is probably in millimeters or centimeters. So you'll either have to do that work to figure out what your centimeters are in inches, or just go ahead and change it to inches. All right, I hope this was helpful. Get started.